I'm Sharath Ali. I'm gonna launch crypto learning series very soon. तो इस series में आपको बताऊंगा how to trade, and if you learn it, you will definitely be able to earn some income from it. Before starting this series, I want you guys to don't invest blindly. बगैर किसी knowledge के अगर आप इस crypto field में enter होता है तो you will definitely lose all of your hardly earned money. But why you should learn it from me? देखो यार, उसका simple answer है. I have very less number of audience right now. So while learning, if you have any question, like आपके पास कोई भी technical सवाल हो, logical सवाल हो, illogical सवाल हो, आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं and I will be able to answer all of your questions immediately. So this will be very beneficial for you guys. And before you judge me, I want to tell you guys, I have literally 4 years of experience, guys. क्रिप्टो में देखो यार, सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताऊंगा कॉन्सेप्ट एंड बेसिक चीजें, लाइक चीजें काम कैसे करती हैं, क्यों है, व्हाई क्रिप्टो, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, जिनकी भी हम इतना डीप में नहीं जाएंगे, डीप स्टडी नहीं करेंगे उनको, बट जितना रिक्वायर्ड है उतना डेफिनेटली समझने की जरूर कोशिश करेंगे. एंड जब कॉन्सेप्ट सारे क्लियर हो जाएंगे तब हम देखेंगे ये सारी चीजें. नंबर 1, व्हाट इज अ क्रिप्टो एक्सचेंज. नंबर 2, how many exchanges are there in the market. Number 3, how to create account on different exchanges. Number 4, what are decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges. Number 5, difference between investment and trading. Number 6, types of traders. Number 7, future trading. Number 8, how to get free airdrops on the exchanges. Number 9, how many types of cryptocurrencies are there. Number 10, overview of trading view. Number 11, technical analysis. Number 12, fundamental analysis. And apart from this, there is much more to learn. So then see you guys in the upcoming videos. Until then, Allah Hafiz.